Hello friends, here I have some data. This is about data of some patients who have various comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension, dyslipidemia, stroke, CAD, smoking and obesity, and in the end I have written whether PAOD was detected in them or not. So suppose I am looking at the names of the patients and I want to know whether they have PAOD or not, then what I have to do at present is scroll to right side and see whether PAOD is detected or not in them. And each time for each patient I have to do that. So what I can do here is highlight the cells for all those in whom PAOD was detected. So I'll show you how to do that. So I'll just click on this name. This is B3 here, and then I will slide to right side and check the column. Here this is the AD column. You can see it is AD. Okay, now I'll just go back and select this B column. Okay, any cell in B column. Then I'll go to conditional formatting and go to new rule. Here I will use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay, so format values where this formula is true. So here the formula will be equal to, the column was AD, in this case it was AD3. Okay, because I'm in third row, so AD3 is equal to, yes. Okay, so if this is true, I'll put a dollar symbol before AD. Yeah, so if this is true, I will display green color. Sorry, I'll display red color or dark orange color. This one seems fine. And then I'll click OK. So now I think the formula has been applied. Okay, now I will add one more formula here. Conditional formatting, new rule. And here I will go to use formula to determine which cells to format and the format formula. So it was AD, and here I will write equal to dollar $AD3. This is the third row, so that's why I'm writing 3 is equal to, in double quotes I'll write no. So if it is no, then this will be green in color. So I'll select this green color here. Okay, and this seems fine, and I'll click OK here. And here you can see it is green in color now. And now I can copy this same formula using Format Painter. So I'll just select this cell, then go to Format Painter, and I will paint this entire table. It goes all the way down to 312th row. Okay, so here you can see all those who have disease, all those columns are red. Okay, here you can see for yes it is showing red, and for no it is showing green. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.